Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, this is a very self-explanatory video on what I'm going to be doing today, and that's finally getting rid of my tomato plant. I was actually going to try to save it as it was suggested from a previous video, but of course I waited too late as an amateur beginning gardener, and the cold temperatures just killed it. So I'm out here just removing this plant and tidying up this space. As I've gone through this journey for this past season, I definitely learned a lot of things, and it's been very rewarding and challenging, to say the least. What I have left in this raised bed is, I think this is spearmint, which actually is doing way better in the fall. And I guess I'm not sure how it's going to do once it get colder, but of course I have no pests eating it up. I have all the pests over on the other side eating up my collard greens. But yeah, it still smells good, look good. And I think I'm going to go ahead and keep it as long as I can possibly keep it. Just going to do a little cleaning up. Not sure if I'm going to put anything else out here. I'll do some research to see what else I can grow. Maybe I'll try to put some type of lettuce or something. Not sure if that's really going to survive, but like I said, I'm just a beginner, just trying things out as I go along. OMG, my poor little collard greens. My blueberries is definitely going to have to go in very soon. My marigolds finally died out. They really lasted a long time. I think they pretty much lasted to the beginning or end of October. I think the end of October. And they did very well. I planted them in the spring and they last the whole time in ground. So I'm definitely going to fill this area in with more flowers come springtime. And I would save some of these for seeds, but I think I got enough during the summer. So I'll pass on that. And I've been trying to get this basil plant out of here, but it's just stubborn and it's not coming out. I will be getting to this next. I'm going to clean all of this compost out and do my greenhouse over here as well.